This is a Wowtac W1, which I don't know how this works, but it says technically supported by Thrunite. Now, is that technically supported by Thrunite or technically supported by Thrunite? Anyway, it comes in a box. Can you see? Firefly, 29 days. 29 days. Incidentally, I'm testing the other one. I've left it on Firefly. It's been on for 3 weeks. It's got a 462 lumen output on turbo, which isn't brilliantly bright, but if you put this thing on full, it doesn't really show it because obviously auto exposure. If you put this thing on full and you're trying to work in close proximity to something, it's too bright. It is just too bright. Now I turn it down to about there. Now for working underneath cupboards, these lights are very, very bright, so it doesn't really show it. But for working underneath cupboards, having it at half brightness, which is around about, I don't know, 500 or 1000 lumens, it works perfectly. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't need that. Question sheet, bag of sweets, another USB, micro USB charger. You get a hat clip, these spares, yeah, spare O-rings, spare charge covers and everything, and then obviously the torch itself. And the first thing you do with these is tighten that so as it comes on. Usual quality, or the usual look. It's quite heavy actually. It is quite heavy. It's heavier than the Baton 3. So to turn it on, press the button. So you've got all your modes that it cycles through. That's only 500 lumens. Wow. Oh no, that's the 500. That's on turbo. That is bright. And then 3 is the strobe. Usual quality threads, and it's got a Wowtac 650 milliamp. I don't even know, 16340 battery in it. Oh, and it is magnetic, so it can be stuck onto the side of anything. Now this is underneath my diesel heater that I've been working on to get it ready for the summer. And I'm going to do a video series on this, just so as people know how to fit a diesel heater in their house. Because if you can get red diesel, it turns out a hell of a lot cheaper. Now this is perfect for working under here. If it was any brighter, it's just way, way, way too much. So having something handy like that for working underneath cupboards and stuff, plus which they've got the added bonus, although it won't stick on copper, will it, Tony, you dickhead? You got the added bonus, it'll stick on absolutely anything metallic that is magnetic. What's the word? Anyway, link in the description for this little thing. They're cheap, they're cheerful, they work fantastically.